Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit new, and I'm gonna show you how to force the restart on this device. To force the restart on this device, simply press and hold the side button and keep holding it until you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. So let's press and hold the side button, keep holding it, and once you see the HUAWEI logo on the screen, you can release the side button and wait until the device is done rebooting. And after a while you will see the watch face on the screen. That means that the reboot is complete. And that's how you force the restart on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.